Next question, we have question number 8. If a is equal to 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, and b equal to 3, 2 minus 2, 1, find 2b minus a square. Given a is equal to 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, b is equal to 3, 2 minus 2, 1, and we find 2b minus a square. 2b is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 2 minus 2, 1. That is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are minus 4, and 2 1s are 2. It's 2b. We find 2b. And a square is equal to a multiplied by a. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. So a square is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2, row multiplied by column, and first row multiplied by second column. 1 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, then 2 multiplied by 1, minus 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So a square is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus 2, minus minus, that will be positive, 2 minus 2, and minus 2 minus minus plus 1. 2 2s are minus का 4 plus 1. So a square is equal to minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3, and we find 2b minus a square, that is equal to 2b is 6, 4, minus 4 and 2, but a square is minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. So 2b minus a square equal to 6 minus minus plus, that is 6 plus 3, 4 minus 0, minus 4 minus 0, and 2 plus 3. 2b minus a square equal to 9, 4, minus 4, 5. Answer. Given a 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, and b is equal to 3, 2, minus 2, 1. We find 2b minus a square. First b multiply 2 into b. 2 into b is 3, 2, minus 2, 1. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 2 1s are 2. Then we find a square. A square is a into a. Row multiply by column. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2. 1 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 1. Then 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1. 1 minus 4, minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. So 2b minus a square is equal to 6 minus minus plus 3, that is equal to 9, and 4 minus 0 is 4. Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. 2 minus minus plus 3. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Answer. Next question is question number 9. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 2, 1, 4, 2, C equal to 5, 1, 7, 4. Compute first part A into B plus C, second part B plus C into A product. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 2, 1, 4, 2. C is equal to 5, 1, 7 and 4. First part A into B plus C. B plus C is equal to 2, 1, 4, 2 plus 5, 1, 7, 4. B plus C, that is equal to 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 7, 11, 2 plus 4, 6, that is B plus C. So A into B plus C equal to A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B plus C is 7, 2, 11, 6. A into B plus C equal to first 1 into 7 plus 2 into 11, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6, 3 into 7 plus 4 into 11, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 6. A into B plus C equal to 7 plus 22 and 2 plus 12, 21 plus 44, 6 plus 24, which implies 22 plus 7 is 29, 12 plus 2 is 14 and 44 plus 21 is 65. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. First part, that is equal to 29, 14, 65, 30. Answer. And second part, B plus C into A. B plus C into A. B plus C, B get 7, 2, 11, 6 and A is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equal to 7 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4. 11 into 1 plus 6 into 3. 11 into 2 plus 6 into 4. Which implies 7 1s are 7 plus 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 2s are 8. 11 1s are 11 plus 6 3s are 18 and 22 plus 24, which implies B plus C into A equal to 13, 22, 29, 46. Answer. Given A, B and C, First part, we find A into B plus C. B plus C is 2142 plus 5174. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. It's B plus C. And product of A into B plus C is A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B plus C is 7, 2, 11, 6. Row multiply by column. 1 into 7 plus 2 into 11. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6. 3 into 7 plus 4 into 11. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 6. And 7 1s are 7 plus 22. 2 plus 12. 6 7 3s are 21 plus 44. 3 2s are 6 plus 24. That is 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 44 plus 21 equal to 65. 24 plus 6 equal to 30. First part. And second part is B plus C into A. B plus C, that is 7 2 11 6. 7 2 11 6 and A is given 1 2 3 4. First row multiply by first column. 7 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 7 into 2 plus 2 into 4. 11 into 1 plus 6 into 3. 11 into 2 plus 6 into 4. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 2s are 8. 11 1s are 11 plus 6 3s are 18. 11 2s are 22 plus 6 4s are 24. And 7 plus 6 is 13. 14 plus 8 is 22. 11 plus 18 is 29. 22 plus 24, that is equal to 46. Answer. Thank you.